Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our virtual real-time class for 36 of us. It's in real time. I have received some emails informing me that you will be absent, that you have a fever, or, oh my God, corona infection. That said, be careful. Let me share my screen with you. Manaba. And I did upload 2 small pieces of our first lecture. Of course, I will do the same thing for today's. Your assignments, 43 of you were on time. And 10 teams did upload their speeches. Well done. So I'm not in my mini lecture room. I am in, no, I'm sorry, not lecture room, seminar room. I'm not in my seminar room. I'm in a classroom. Now this classroom is smart, but I love my analog chalkboard. I'm pretty sure that you can read it. So our schedule today is first group presentations. That means your speakers. And I won't say anything. I'll just politely clap. And then after the presentations are finished, and I will do a group critique. But speakers, introduce yourself and your team. Example, good morning, fellow classmates. My name is Mr. Larkins. I am a member of Team Z. Here is our speech. When you finish, thank you for listening. I'm finished. Open and close. So I don't want to stand up for 50 minutes. So don't. I wanted to change my position back to using my visual aid. Ladies and gentlemen, not bad, not bad. You really didn't follow my instructions. I told you I didn't want a list of people. I wanted your story, your team story. This was the easiest presentation you'd get to do. Next week's presentation, first, you have to watch a video. Then you have to discuss with your team members. Now, before you start your discussion, you should choose your new writer. Writer then, during the discussion, takes notes. Then makes a draft of the team speech, sends it to each of the members. The members add information, 5 minutes